In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery on your 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. It's a very easy process, only takes about 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that's the remote right there, and right there at the top, that's the notch. That's where we are going to open it up from. And for that, you will need a small flathead screwdriver, one like this. Put the screwdriver in the notch there and twist it left and right, and that should pry the remote up a little bit. Once it's open just a little bit like that, then you can just use your nails to sort of pry it open all the way. There it is. That's the battery right there. Now use your thumb and your index finger to sort of push the battery out of there. It may take a few seconds, so be patient with it. And once it pops up, let's take a closer look at the battery itself. It's a CR2032. Again, it says it right there on it. CR2032. That's the replacement battery size. The plus sign is on the top. It even indicates it with the plus sign over there. So when you put the new battery back in, we're going to put it with the plus sign facing to the top. So slide the new battery in there and gently push it in once it's locked in place. Let's be careful we don't bend anything else over. Now let's just put both sides of the remote back together and just press them close, and that is pretty much it. Click, click, click. See how easy that was?